Act 16:25. And at midnight Paul and Silas prayed, and sang praises unto God, and the prisoners heard them.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this 10-inch crochet hair. If you guys want to know how I did this, make sure you keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by Eayon Hair. I have worked with this company before. I'm just going to go ahead to show you guys everything I've received. This is everything I need to achieve this hairstyle. They sent me 3 packs of their Crochet Boho box braids human hair, and this is in their 10-inch. It is really short, like very short. So I'm just going ahead to now section my hair and obviously prep my hair before I go ahead to install the, crochet hair. I'm gonna go ahead to try a different method for this hairstyle. When it comes to like my Boho crochet hair, I do have like few methods on my channel that you can try to achieve this hairstyle, and I feel like just depending on how long you want to keep this hairstyle, then you can decide which method you want to use. But today's method, I'm actually using a rubber band method at the front instead of me like braiding my hair. I really didn't want this hair to take me so long to install it, and I knew I wasn't gonna keep it in for too long, so I did go ahead to do this method. It's different to how I would usually, like for example, braid the back of my hair, but at the front it's kind of similar to what I usually do, but instead of braiding it, I just go ahead to use rubber bands because it just made it so easy for me. It does give you the same look anyways, but if you don't want too much tension on your hair, then you don't have to use rubber band. You can go ahead and just like braid your natural hair. As you guys can see, I also used gummy just to apply it on my hair, just to make my part-ins neater and to put everything in place. I also went ahead to add some oil on the rubber bands, just so that it doesn't like grip onto your hair too much, so it doesn't break your hair. So it's good for you to put some oil on the rubber band. And as you guys can see, it's all up to you on how you want your part-ins to look. If you want it smaller, if you want it to go further back, just so that it kind of give that knotless braids illusion, if that makes sense. So I knew I wasn't going to keep this hair in for too long, so I just went ahead and just do bang, 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 bang. So yeah. So this is how I've done the front. To me, I was thinking, oh, it's not really that neat, but really and truly, yeah, I wasn't trying to take too long. So if you guys want to achieve this hairstyle, just take your time and do what suits you. And like I said, I do have different methods on how to achieve crochet hair on yourself. So for the back, I decided to kind of go with this method. Like literally it was a struggle to do this myself, because you guys can already see how I'm placing my hands, but I literally just kind of like went ahead to braid it in a way that the hair would literally like fall back instead of it just being straight, if that makes sense, especially because it's like short hair. This part I really don't know how to explain it, but I feel like because it's short hair, I didn't want to like kind of like braid the front hair coming backwards. Like I said, if you watch my other videos, you would basically understand what I'm saying. And I just felt like with short hair, it would be so easy for you to see like the base of my hair as well. So I just thought, what, let me just do this method so that everything will literally just go back when I do put my hair back. Because it's really short, I didn't feel like I could do like a all up hairstyle once I finish. So I just thought, let me just do this method. I know one of the braid looked so massive, yeah, to be honest. I didn't really mind, but especially you guys know when it comes to doing your own hair, it's not easy. So you guys can actually just do it way smaller. As you guys can see, yeah, that braid there was just too massive, but didn't really mind. But yeah, so the hair comes with a loop, so that's the loop you're gonna use for the crochet pin, and then you're just gonna literally place the pin into the hair, especially where the rubber band is, so that when you do place in the crochet hair, it kind of hides the rubber band. You can do this two ways. You can either use the pin upwards or bring it downwards, and I had to change this part because I did use the pin upwards instead of downwards, just to make the hair lay a bit more. I don't know if this explanation makes sense, but maybe when I go to the other side, you'd actually see what I'm saying. So as you guys can see, I am now using the pin downwards instead of the other way. I'm bringing it down. So when you do it this way, you actually get the hair to lay a bit more and to give it more of a natural look. I just feel like when the hair is very short, you don't want to put the pin upwards, because then it's just gonna make it just stand there and not lay flat. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you do try this hairstyle yourself, you would see what I am saying. And also guys, I do apologize for my brushes just being there and my coat just hanging there. Usually I kind of hide this stuff, but this day was just too stressful for me, and I totally just ignored, like I just ignored my brushes and my jacket, whatever. But I apologize for this, and obviously I'll try to remember next time to just move everything so the focus can just like kind of like just be on me doing my hair. But yeah, if you guys can see like space in between, that's because I wanted to make sure first I have the hair everywhere before I go ahead to, you know, cover any extra spaces or use the hair on any extra spaces that I left behind. So that's all I do. And obviously the farther you get up, the more hair you would want to add, just so that it's full. You don't want too much gaps because it's crochet hair. So guys, I kept this hair in for like a week, and when I tell you guys, this hair did not tangle. Like, I'm so shocked. I didn't receive any tangleness. Like, it was literally just easy to deal with. So I did go ahead to check. They did send me 120 strands, so I think they sell up to 140. So if you do want it really full, then you can go ahead, you know, and purchase that. So this is the final look. I did go ahead to add some mousse and water on the hair just to define the curls a bit more, and I did add some sheen spray, and yeah, it was looking good. Like, I feel like it's so cute and simple, and it's very easy. So if you guys want to achieve the same hairstyle, make sure you guys visit Eayonhair to get this hair. This is literally like an everyday hairstyle. It's very easy. You can do half up, half down. You can hold it all back. For the days that I actually kept this hair, I did enjoy it. So yeah, make sure you guys get yours. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell for whenever I do post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you guys can see, I did go ahead to style this hair. You can do different things with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.